Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle animation in After Effects using Trapcode particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, create a new composition, make it Full HD and 10 seconds, then press OK. Go to Layer, New, Solid and OK. Now go to Effect, Trapcode and Trapcode particular. Yes. Okay. Now I'll turn off this layer for now. Okay. And I will go to New Light. Sure, I will name it Emitter and light type point and density 100. Then press OK. Okay, now move Y and X like this. Go to first frame, press P and set a keyframe. Okay, I will open my guide, then go to 2 seconds forward and move, yes, like this in the center. Okay, yes. Yes. Okay. Again, move 4 seconds forward and I will move Z and X like this and Y. Yes, like this. Okay. Yes. I will make zoom to see this point. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Like this. Up and okay, Control C to copy, press P, then go to first frame. Yes, move it like this. Okay, go to 2 seconds and 4 seconds and move. Yes. Okay. Yes, like this. Okay. Okay, now I'll turn on this layer again. Okay, go to Emitter and with a point change to light. Okay, then go to velocity and 20 and all velocity make it 0. Okay, yes, then all emitter size also 0. Yes. Okay, and particle looks like this. And now we will go to size and set size to 1. Okay. There is a difference between 2 emitter. Let's fix this. Okay. Yes, I think it's yes. I think it's good now. Okay. Yes. Okay, again go to emitter, particles and make it 10,000. Okay, and particle life per second 6. Okay, yes, and also we will go to, yes, size random 20, I think 20. Okay, also opacity random, make it 60. Then go to size over life preset, and I will choose this one. Okay, also go to opacity over life presets, and also I'll choose this. Okay, what else? We'll go to, yes, okay, I think it's okay. Need to change this. Okay, yes, color, set color over life, choose presets. I will choose this one. Okay, and maybe I'll choose this color. Yes, yes, okay. Okay, now go to effect, stylize, and glow. Okay, Control D to copy, and glow intensity maybe 0.2 like this, and go again, Control D, and radius maybe like this, and okay. Now go to effect, color correction, and curves, or maybe like this. Okay, and also go to alpha, and yes, okay, now this is our particular animation. And now go to layer, new solid, and be background. Okay, or maybe remove this one. Okay, and Control C. Okay, and now go to emitter and change light to box. Okay, make velocity 0, and change emitter size X, Y, and Z like this. Okay, yes, maybe we need just 500 particles, and change emitter size Z like this. Okay, also go to particle and size 2, maybe 1.5. Yes, okay, now go to layer, new solid, and another background. Okay, go to effects and presets and gradient ramp. Okay, freeze your ramp, put this point in the middle, and choose your color. I'll choose the blue one. Okay, and maybe dark, yes, dark green. Yes, like this. Okay, this is my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. And goodbye.